3,500 crores. Again, we have JSW investing 800 crores, Infosys 750 crores, and Skyroot Aerospace 500 crores. Regarding the job opportunities, software majors announce huge chunk of new high-end jobs in the city. HCL announces 5,000 jobs, Infosys 17,000 jobs, and Wipro 5,000 jobs. Apart from core strength of Hyderabad and Telangana in software and pharma, the state will now look to grow in very big manner in different platforms like data center, green energy, food processing, electric vehicles, and semiconductors. Our Honorable Chief Minister's vision of making Telangana a $1 trillion SDGP economy, decision to compete with world-class cities like Tokyo, Dubai, and Singapore, eyeing to achieve the China +1 country status, the government is moving towards its goal in a record-breaking speed. There we can see the inspection vehicle getting closer to the contingents. Also we have the media vehicle capturing the historic moment. They don't want to leave a single second of this ceremonial parade. We can see the vehicle going closer to 13th Battalion, the Dogra Regiment, Indian Army, and Captain Gagandeep is the contingent commander. Next we have the men in blue, that is Indian Air Force. The contingent commander is Squadron Leader Vikash Reddy, waiting for the inspection vehicle to get closer to have the view, a glimpse, a deco of our Honorable Governor of Telangana. Next to Air Force, we have 3rd Battalion TGSP, and M. Mahesh, Reserve Inspector, is the contingent commander. There we see the vehicle coming to 3rd Battalion TGSP. Beautiful headgear, green and white. Next we have the vehicle passing to the Odisha State Police, waiting to have a deco of our Honorable Governor. There the inspection vehicle reaches Odisha State Police. Inspector Shri Rajendra Kumar Shyal is the contingent commander. Next we have State Disaster Response Force. Y. Ravinder, Reserve Inspector, is the contingent commander. Then we have, next to disaster, we have NCC boys, Telangana State, waiting for the governor, a historic moment for them, a day they will never forget in their life. After State Disaster Response Force, we can see the inspection vehicle gliding beautifully to the next contingents, where NCC boys, Telangana State, under the command of Senior Under Officer Vishnu Vardhan, standing smart, taking the world into their stride. Now we can see the vehicle passing to NCC girls, Telangana State. Senior Under Officer Khairat Ulkrit is the contingent commander. We can see all the 3 wings in these NCC, Air Force, Army, and Navy. You can see their dress. They have khaki, gray, and white, representing different wings. Next, the vehicle goes to Bharat Scouts and Guides. Gopal Gulot is the contingent commander. Students in red and white, they are from Telangana Residential Educational Institution Society. Master K. Chandu is the contingent commander. Perfect salute by the young school students, the youngsters. There waits the mounted police force for the arrival, and yes, there the inspection vehicle reaches the mounted Telangana State Mounted Police Force. M. Narasimha Rao, Sub-Inspector of Police, is the contingent commander. The Indian Air Force in its 93rd year since inception, has set glorious records in the service of the nation. During these years, the Air Force has expanded from its extremely modest beginning of one Wapiti squadron to being the fourth largest air force in the world. Equipped with the most modern aircraft and weapon system in the world, today we can state with pride that it is a balanced air force well suited to meet any threats which may manifest against a country. The Indian Air Force's history replete with innumerable instances of valor, heroism, commitment and sacrifice. The nation can rest assured that Indian Air Force is prepared to meet any challenge that come in its way. Induction of Rafale fighter aircraft, C-295 medium tactical transport aircraft, Chinook and Apache helicopters, extended range of air-launched BrahMos missile, etc. will enhance the operational employability of Indian armed forces along our borders. The medium and long-range surface-to-air missile system will ensure that our air defense is strengthened. In Hyderabad, the Indian Air Force has some of the major training establishments of the country. The Air Force Academy Dindigul performs the task of training ab initio pilots, officers of ground duty branches, first semester training of technical officers and training of basic radar and advanced air traffic control officers. The Air Force Academy Dindigul, which is located 35 kilometers from Secunderabad, is commanded by Air Marshal Sitapalli Srinivas VSM. We have the Air Force Station Hakimpet that imparts advanced training in fighter and helicopter stream and is commanded by Air Commodore Vikasil Singh Saini. Air Force Station Begumpet, which has a rich history, hosts navigational training schools which imparts training in air navigation and is commanded by Air Commodore Rushikesh Jagannath Page. The College of Air Warfare, which is located in the heart of city Secunderabad, has the privilege of conducting this impressive, colorful and ceremonial parade. The College of Air Warfare is premier training institution of the Indian Air Force for higher learning. It conducts a large number of courses for officers of the rank of Flight Lieutenant to Air Commodore and equivalent from all these services, and for officers of civil services throughout the year. Training of these officers is important in the art of joint warfare with special emphasis on employment of air power. Besides this, the college also coordinates various ceremonial functions there. The review just got over and our Honorable Governor Sir has arrived to the saluting dais.
బహుముఖ ప్రజ్ఞాశీలి చిత్రకళలో శిల్పకళలో